Before you upload that video, it is important to know if YouTube will push out that video to a wider audience and recommend it to viewers. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can ask YouTube if you should upload a particular video and use a particular title, and if YouTube will push out that video to a wider audience. Okay, and I'm going to be showing you a very important setting that you need to do on your YouTube studio. If you don't do this setting, even if you ask YouTube if you should upload a particular video and if you should use a particular title, and YouTube gives you the go ahead, without these settings, YouTube will be restricted. They will be limited to how far they can push your video. Okay, so these two work hand in hand. These two things I'm about to share on this video work hand in hand. It is important that you do the both of them. Let's head on to the YouTube studio. Let me show you how you can ask YouTube if you should upload a particular video and if you should use a particular title, and if YouTube will push out that video to a wider audience. Let's head on. For this video, we'll be using the desktop version of our YouTube studio. Head on to your Google Chrome browser. In the search bar, type youtubestudio.com. It's going to bring you to this interface. Click on this YouTube studio. Okay, it's going to take us straight into our YouTube Creator Studio. If you are already signed in your Google Chrome browser, is why I recommend we use Google Chrome browser, because it is very easy. If you're already signed in, it's going to take you straight into your YouTube Creator YouTube Creator Studio. The dashboard is going to take you to this interface. When we get here, we are going to head on to Analytics. Click on Analytics. So after clicking on Analytics, it's going to bring you to this interface. Click on Trends. It's going to take you to another interface where we are going to be searching for our keywords. Let's say, for example, I want to make a video on YouTube algorithm. I'm going to go in and search for YouTube algorithm explained, and it's going to bring out top searches for this topic, and it's going to bring out what people are watching on that particular title that I'm searching for. Okay, that particular keyword is going to bring out top searches and what people are watching. Okay, so let's compare and contrast and see what they all have in common. This one that has high volume search is how YouTube algorithm works. What I'm saying here, it has YouTube algorithm. That is my search. Okay, that is the keyword that I'm searching for, YouTube algorithm. It has it. This one says how to know YouTube algorithm, but the search for this one is medium volume. It's not so high like the first one. Okay, this one has low volume searches. It says, what does the YouTube algorithm favor? So now YouTube have shown me what people are actually searching and what they are pushing. YouTube are pushing titles that revolve around how YouTube algorithm works. So if I'm going to make my video, I'm going to use a title that is related to how YouTube algorithm works. Okay, let's go on to the videos. Now for the videos, YouTube has suggested videos that people are watching right now. Okay, what people are actually watching now, YouTube is showing it to me. Let me compare and contrast what all of them have in common. They have the YouTube algorithm explained. Okay, this one has YouTube algorithm, this one has YouTube algorithm, the third one has YouTube, it also has algorithm in on it. So you see, and they're all doing well. They are all doing well, what people are watching now. So if you want to make a video, YouTube have suggested the kind of videos people are watching. You can even go ahead and watch these videos and recreate them. Recreate those videos in your own words, because people are watching it. People are definitely going to come and watch it, and then you will get views and get monetized. You understand? That is the logic. You can watch these videos and recreate it in your own words, and then use this top searches topic. You will use these keywords as your own title of your video. I bet you when you do this, the SEO of YouTube, that's the search engine optimization of YouTube, will definitely suggest and recommend your videos to a lot of viewers. So
Okay.
guys, if you have watched this video till this time, please do well to subscribe to my channel, because I bring you content that are related to this. As I'm growing, I'm making sure another YouTube channel is growing. Please do well to like, subscribe. Thank you. So now that we know the kind of title to use and the kind of video to use so that the YouTube algorithm can suggest our videos and recommend it to a wider audience, the next thing we need to take into serious consideration, guys, is to verify our YouTube account. If you don't verify your YouTube account, YouTube will think that the account is owned and operated by a robot, and YouTube will not push out videos that are created from that account, because they will think it is owned and operated by a robot. YouTube take this very seriously. So guys, you need to verify your YouTube account. If it is not verified, it can limit your views. Okay, and there are benefits that comes from verifying of your YouTube account. Yes, there are benefits that comes from it. So you need to verify your YouTube account, because even if you create a right video, you use the right title, and your account is not verified, there is a high tendency that YouTube will not push out that videos to a wider audience. So we need to verify our YouTube account. Let's head on to YouTube Studio. Let me show you how you can verify your YouTube account. Okay guys, so for you to verify your phone number, you go to your YouTube Studio the way I showed you in the first tutorial we had in this video. Go to your YouTube Studio. This is going to be the interface. Then click on settings, click on channel, go to feature eligibility, click on it, go to the number 2 of the verifications. The first one is usually automatic by YouTube. The second one, click on it. The drop down menu will come up. This is drop down menu. The requirement to be verified here is your phone number. Click on it. A new page is going to open. It's going to redirect you to a new home tab where you are going to be using your phone number to verify. So you're going to input your country, then put your phone number. They are going to send you a code. Then you're going to input the code, and you will be verified just like that. So the shorthand means that you can know if you are verified is you can go to your Google Chrome browser, on the search space, type youtube/verification.com. This is what is going to pop up. Click on it. If you are verified, it's going to show verified. If you are not, it's going to show you the requirement for you to be verified. Okay, like this now, that I am verified. So it's showing my phone number, that is saying phone verified. Okay, if you are verified, this is what it's going to show. If you are not verified, it's going to tell you step by step procedure, show you how you could get verified. So that's it for this, guys. So that's it, guys, for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please do well to like this video and show me some love by subscribing to my channel. And until next time, God bless you.